How to block user on Twitter. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to block user on Twitter. But before that, make sure that your application is completely up to date and that you're connected to an internet service as well. So to begin with, open the Twitter application, login, and all you need to do is find the user that you want to block. So for example, I'm going to block Elon Musk, right? So just next to it, or just next to your profile name, tap on the three dot icon, and there you have the section that is, unfollow, add, remove, or mute, and then the block section. If you're sure about blocking the person, click on it, and then you could read the terms and condition and click on the block button to confirm it so. And this is how you could block user on Twitter. If you're unable to find the person right on the home page, then you could use the search bar tool feature at the bottom left corner of the bar in order to search for a contact or a user that you wish to block on Twitter. So this is how you could block user on Twitter application. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.